Hello everyone, welcome back to FX Capital Analysis and Forecasting. We at the middle of the week of week 18. Hopefully you guys keep the momentum for the middle of the week so we can close most of the market and capitalize most of the market. So this week we're going to forecast our mid-week review. The structure show us very nice opportunity for this week for us to take and maximize the profit for this week. So there will be 6 pair that we're going to forecast for middle week. So first we're going to start with gold pair. So we're going to do from the top down analysis. We go to high time frame. We see high time frame, we can look at the structure as price at the middle of descending channel. So we have the at the end of descending channel, we have this some sort of rising wedge approaching this double top. However, in when the price try to approach this double top, we have a small double top from here from this rising wedge. So if we move to lower time frame, we see this is the structure, the possibility and probability price going to play out. So this is one touch, second touch. If you take this another structure from here, this is one touch, second touch and third touch. And if you're able to sell this to the downside, support by double top and this ascending channel from the multi-touch, you able probably capitalize from this movement. However, market show us abundance of opportunity, which is we got enter for the second charge. This is will be the sell setup one more time, move to the downside. So if you sell this position from this area, you're able to move to the downside. If you trail the stop loss, either you trade from here or here, you're able to capitalize, move to the downside again. However, price start a pullback and continue with structure. For this moment, what I'm looking for is probably buy and sell setup. The possibility for gold. Gold show us many opportunity for this week and last week. There's another setup. Either we going to buy this position from here, support by this multi-touch area, and move through the upside. And another possibility is we able to sell one more time from this double, triple top or fourth touch, or what we can say, sell to the downside. However, if price move to the upside, I'm happy to wait for the price movement develop. Either we able to sell this portion from this double biggest double top. When we sell from this double top, how we need to take care of we able to have the possibility to create a triple touch from here. So there will be multiple opportunity. We need to pay attention closely for gold for this week. Next we move to AUD set chef. AUD set chef quite a clean structure. I'm in this position right now and the price at the zero risk. This movement is from this one touch, second touch, third touch. This is what we forecast for from the weekly review. Sorry, weekly market breakdown. We expect price move to down upside. However, we need to deal with the current structure of next flag that going to develop. Either I'm going to trade stop loss from this movement. Either this price will create a flag or bigger flag from here. If price pullback move to the upside, I will trail my stop loss below the structure. Similar strategy. This is the way live trade management. If you in community, you understand how we going to trade in live trade movement. Either we trail our stop loss and capitalize most of the market. Next, we going to move to next pair, AUD Japanese Y. AUD Japanese Y is still in under development. However, this is one trend line that I pull. Either we going to pull back from here from the third touch, move to the downside. If price continue, we going to sell the setup from this double top from here. In long term move, if we extend this trend line, we able to if we extend the trend line, we able to sell again from this area, move to the downside. Okay guys, this multiple opportunity we're going to have for this pair. So there's a possibility and probability. Either you are ready to take the movement. When you forecast the pair, when it happen, you will not second guessing to execute this position. That's the reason we forecast early our movement. Next we move to CAT Japanese Y. CAT Japanese Y, one of the structure that we opened early of this week. From the forecasting, we pull back from this big double top. So this blue line is coming from the double top. If you able to sell through downside, probably you already cut your risk to move to break even. Price movement now create a big flag. If you see this is one touch, second touch, third touch, probably price going to move to the downside. If you in this position, probably you able to sell move to the downside from this 1 hour retracement candle. It, probably if you enter this position, you already enter after 1 hour candlestick close. Either is from here move to the downside, or from here. This is a second chance to enter this position because this is one of the small arc developed from the structure. Next we move to Euro CHF. Euro CHF now under development, however price almost approaching the area that we're looking for. This week you can see it's not touched the trend line. However, if the price move to the downside again, I'm happy to buy the setup move to the upside. Continue with the structure. Last pair is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, one of the structure under development. This is one and only valid position for this week. Either we buy the setup from the multi-touch area from this trend line, move to the upside, or we going to sell this movement, move to the downside from this trend line from the multi-touch. Okay guys, that's all for this week. Hopefully you guys forecast your movement and trade your plan and plan your trade when the moment happen, when the price touch the area that you're looking for, you will not second guessing and confident to take the position. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube and follow our Instagram.